Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be installing floating shelves, and the hardware I'll be using is from Craftersmark. Let's see what's inside the box. So this is the 6" by 34" set. They have many different sizes. You can find them on Amazon. I'll put the link down below in the description. So when you get the box open, the first thing we're going to find is some instructions. Drywall plugs, screws, another bag of screws, a router bit, drill guide for a big drill bit, and 2 brackets. Nice and heavy, solid, decent quality. Even the welds are very nice. And a good paint job. Looks like a nice quality product. So we have 2 of those. Looks like we have a jig for the back of the your shelf. And the drill bit. Alright, so for my shelf, I'm using a 2" thick slab. However long length you're going to need it. Mine's 37 inches. I went a cheaper route and I bought 2x10s and I glued them together, pine wood, and then I end up wrapping the edge with some scrap hickory I had laying around. So the first thing you're going to want to do is mark your center, which for me is 1 inch. Take your jig, place it on there. You can see where the screw sets in. Make sure that's facing up. Attach the small screws. Now you got 2 screw holes here, but they're hanging over the side. So what I'm going to do is just take a couple scrap pieces of wood, 1 on each side, clamp it in place. Make sure your clamps are low so don't get in the way of your router. And then screw your ends in, or your sides. Now we got our jig in place. Next we're going to take our drill bit guide, put it in the grooves, and attach it with a couple of screws. Once we drill our hole here, we'll repeat here and here. Now I got the router bit installed with my router. We're gonna go ahead and hog this out. I got both shelves done. Now we're going to take them inside and install them to the wall. So I'm going to center my brackets with the toilet. 19 inches. And we'll go about this high up. Mark a line. Stud finder. There's my first one. And here's my second one. And the screws, drywall anchors. We won't need the anchors. I'm putting directly into the studs. Center this pole up with your center line. Put a screw in one stud on one side. Level. Attach with the other screws. And our shelf should slide right out. Just like that. Now I'm going to get the second one installed. Well, that's all there's to it. They turned out great. I am going to be painting them white so it matches the rest of the bathroom. The hardware is Definitely a good quality. I highly recommend it. I'll put a link down in the description below of where you can find them. If you like the video, hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.